The Boxing Day puzzle event is live on Rollercoin. We've also got a race tournament that's going on as well. Let's check it all out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. And the festivities continue on Rollercoin with the Boxing Day puzzle event and another race tournament. So on my screen here you can see the Rollercoin homepage. Straight away you can see the race tournament, and at the time of recording this video you can see that there are still 2 days, 2 hours and 25 minutes remaining for the race tournament. If we check out the details of the race tournament, as you can see I've already entered the race tournament, and I've done so by opening lucky RLT loot boxes and by winning games, okay? So pretty much it's the same like previous race tournaments. You'll get 1,000 points for each loot box that you open, and you'll get around 100 points for each game that you win, and you can climb the ladder. At the moment we can see in first place here there is Leviathan, and Leviathan will receive the Hamyo JJP101 miner if this roller remains in first place, and this miner has 1.3 petahash in power. Okay, the miner cannot be sold. Also with that, 100 RST and 10 petahash in temporary bonus power. This roller has 217,000 points. Okay, so that would mean that you would need to open 217 loot boxes just to get that amount of points. In second place we have Key 026 here, and the miner here will be the Royal Necklace at 1.3 petahash per second. Again, can't be sold. 90 RST in second place and 5 petahash in temporary bonus power. Not that far off from the first place as well. Same for the third place, not that far off. You still get 5 petahash for the third place, 80 RST, but the miner Lestat, if this roller remains in third place, will receive the Kaosai Safi miner, which also cannot be sold, and this will give 1.2 petahash per second. Okay, so those are the main prizes in this race tournament. Just a bit more than 2 days remaining at the time of recording this video. We've also at the same time got a puzzle event which has exactly the same time remaining as the race tournament. Boxing Day puzzle event here, and you can see the rewards in the progression bar at the top, very similar to previous puzzle events where you will need to complete 3 tasks to get the first reward, which I have already managed to do. Another 3 tasks and you'll get the miner here once you have a total of 6. So this is the Sentinella. This can be sold and it will give you 800 terahash per second. Another 3 on top of that and you will get the Mystery Forge, which can't be sold, and this will give 4.2 petahash per second. Another 3 on top of that with a total of 12 tasks completed, and you'll receive the needed Silver Glow miner for the Frostival event. So this is one of those miners that you will need for that Frostival mega event and to craft the Radiant Core 60 petahash miner at the end of the year. So definitely try and get this one. This can be sold, so if you don't manage to get it from this event, you can purchase it from the marketplace, but I'm sure it will cost a pretty penny or pretty RLT, okay? So it will be quite expensive, so do try and get it through the puzzle event, because you're not just receiving this miner anyway, you're receiving all the other rewards as well while you are actually aiming to get this miner. So 5.5 petahash for this miner. Last but not least, another Mystery Forge, but this time the uncommon version with a whopping 11.1 petahash per second, and this cannot be sold. Now remember that for each and every task that you complete, you'll be revealing a random piece from the puzzle from these rewards that you can see here. And for every 3 tasks that you complete, up to the 12 tasks that you complete, you'll be receiving another extra reward. So you've got 3, 6, 9, 12, and then you'll need to complete the last 4 to receive the mega prize, which is the uncommon Mystery Forge right there. You'll always be revealing a random piece for each and every task, like I said, and hopefully you can get this Mystery Forge as well, and you'll be able to merge it with the one if you manage to make it up to the 9, okay, the 9 tasks one, okay. I would aim for 12 tasks for this one because we do need that silver glow miner, but it's really up to you what you do and how much effort you put into this. There is some time remaining, so you can easily achieve all of this with enough effort. And if you actually play all of the games, which is 200 games, if you win 200 games, then you will already have received a few rewards already because you have completed around 3 or 4 tasks already, okay? So going through the list of tasks, you can see that win 50 games, I'm almost there, just 3 more games, and I'll be able to claim that one. Exchange 12 RLT, win 100 games, exchange 32 RLT, win 150 games, open 32 lucky cases. Exchange 56 RLT, win 200 games, open 56 lucky cases. Exchange 84 RLT, open 84 lucky cases. Exchange 114 RLT, open 114 lucky cases. And the ones I've completed already are these 3, which are exchange 3 RLT, open 3 lucky cases, and open 12 lucky cases. Okay, so it's pretty cool. I mean, you'll get cool rewards here. There is the Yuletide Trek as well at 459 terahash with 0.5% bonus. There's 2 of those. You can merge them into a more powerful miner. That Mystery Forge is quite powerful at 4.2 petahash per second with a 1.5% bonus power attached to it, and you can merge that with the one here after you've completed 9 tasks, and you can get an uncommon. If you make it to the very end, you can merge the 2 uncommons into a rare for even more power and even more bonus power as well. There's a few temporary bonus power here. We've got 550 terahash for 7 days. I believe there was another 550 terahash for 7 days there as well. And there were a few 150 terahash for 7 days there as well. As you can see, they are still here as well. Sentinella at 800 terahash. Again, at the top here, you get the Sentinella after 6 tasks have been completed. So potentially you can merge those 2 together to get an uncommon Sentinella with even more bonus power and even more miner power as well. And you can see all the RST there. I've already revealed one of them. I'm not totally sure. I think it was the 400 RST, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But I did receive one of those already. So you can see 200 RST, 40 RST, 120 RST, and 80 RST still there up for grabs as well. And we've got Dasher's Sled, 1.5 bonus power, which is not a bad amount, okay, even though the minus power is only 75 terahash. But if you merge that into an uncommon with the other Dasher Sled here, you can get even more bonus power and even more minus power as well, okay. But 1.5% is not something to overlook, and that can significantly add up your total room power, especially if you've got a good amount of power and minus power already, okay. So that is pretty much the puzzle event, okay? If we go to the home page, we can see a couple more events here going on at the moment. We've got the Holiday Festivities Advent. Day 1 is going to expire in 2 hours, so jump on that if you haven't already, and there is an RST case that you can open, so good luck with that one. We've also got a couple of Christmas boxes, same time, 2 days as the puzzle event that is going on at the moment, and the race tournament as well. So you've got the large Christmas box. This can be purchased with 1749 Dodge. We've got the Christmas box Dodge, which can be purchased with pretty much 5 Dodge. And you've also got a Christmas box here that you can purchase with RLT at 3 RLT pretty much, okay? So for the large Christmas box, if you go to more details, the worst miner that you can get is the Hestia at 720 terahash. If you're ultra lucky, you can get the ICU at a whopping 72 petahash per second, okay? We've got the Christmas Eve as well at 18.9 petahash per second, and AMPFY at just shy of 10 petahash per second for the top rewards in the large Christmas box when you use some of your Dodge, okay? Christmas box Dodge will be a smaller version, so there's still the Christmas Eve there, but the other first 2 top tier prizes are only reserved for the large Christmas box. And you can see that here the least powerful miner would be the Hop Hype at 330 terahash, so less power obviously, but you are taking less of a risk and spending less of your Dodge as well. And there is the Christmas box RLT at 3 RLT here, and you can still get the Christmas Eve there. So this is pretty much the exact same thing if you don't want to spend Dodge but prefer to spend some of your RLT instead. Okay, so the same rewards there in those two boxes. The rest of the loot boxes remain unchanged. Okay, so that is pretty much it for what's going on at the moment. I hope you had a massive and awesome Christmas and looking forward to the New Year festivities. So take care and enjoy all of what is coming, and I wish you a prosperous New Year 2025. And thanks for being here. Hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.